unused gift card on Cash app. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you use gift card on Cash app. Now, unfortunately, you cannot directly add gift card balances to your Cash app account. However, you could sell your gift card for cash on platforms like Cardtonic and then transfer that money to your Cash app. Alternatively, you could also use gift card to pay for an items through your Cash app card like Netflix subscriptions and all that. So there are various websites and app where you can sell your gift card, such as Cardtonic, CG Buy, Permit, gift card Tonera, and 1 Minute Pay as well. You could follow the platform's instructions to sell the gift card for cash, and once you've sold your gift card, you can transfer the funds to your Cash app account through your bank account or through your linked any credit card or debit card, and that way you'll have used the gift card in the right way. And similarly, what you could also do is you could also use gift card for payment. That means if you have a Cash app card, you could use it for payment items, including those where a gift card is used. And when you use Cash app card or to pay for an item like Netflix subscription or all that, the gift card balance might be automatically applied to the payment as long as the gift card is linked to your Cash app. Similarly, what you could also do is the gift card will cover the appliances for proportions of the cost, and the remaining balance will be charged to your Cash app balance. This is how it's done. If you are unable to proceed on with this video, then you could also directly contact the help support and they should be able to help you out or guide you throughout the steps. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.